Hey guys, welcome to my video today. I just got a package of t-shirts from Printful. Printful prints all of my t-shirts for me. That's what I'm doing today, and I hope that sounds good to you. If it does, let's go. So here's a fun fact. I actually already shot this video, but I had a mic on, which was clipped to my clothing, and it made all kinds of crazy crinkly noises. That's not happening. I might interject some of that footage here, but you're not going to hear the audio. I already opened the package, which I opened previously on the last video. So the first t-shirt that I have is, this is a Bella Canvas 3413 charcoal black tri-blend, and it has a saying from the movie The Craft. This t-shirt is not perfect. The registration is slightly off. This actually brings up a really good subject about where does Printful draw the line with reprinting stuff, if there's a mistake or whatever. And all the time I've been with Printful, it's been about 3 years now, they're really good about reprinting a t-shirt and resending it and it all being free if there's a mistake on their end with the printing. If you don't like the color, that's on you, and they're not gonna give you like a freebie or anything for that. It's really important, super, super important to me, and should be to anybody who sells t-shirts. This is like one of the things that is kind of my soapbox, to completely explain to your customers any weird sizing things about the t-shirt, anything about the color that's not showing up properly in a photo, but you can see in real life is different. Anything like that is really important to communicate to your customers before they buy. Oftentimes what I'll do is I will actually, after they buy, I will say, hey, I want to make sure that you read the part in the listing about how this t-shirt runs 1 to 2 sizes too small, and you're more than welcome to change it up, change your size if you want. So I will offer them that opportunity to do that. If it's synced up and everything and it hits the production cycle right after they order, I will go in and hold it. Then I will go back to them and say, hey, did you see that part in the listing that said that this t-shirt, the sizing is off? I am going to talk to Printful about this issue because I think the registration is slightly off in this t-shirt. Actually, I know it is. I'm not sure if this is on the line for them to reprint and reship. I think it is, because it's not perfect, but I will report back. Hey guys, so it's Editing Kathy here. I just wanted to let you know that I did speak with Printful in this chat that you can see here, and showed them pictures, explained my problem with this photo here, and they're reprinting and reshipping my t-shirt to me. So I got my replacement tee from Printful, and you can see it's definitely an improvement. The lines in this t-shirt are really, really thin, and I think it's tough to print a direct-to-garment tee with lines that are this thin. So in the future, I think this is going to inform my design decisions when making t-shirts, to just try and stay away from lines that are this thin when coming up with future designs. I've never had one that was misprinted that a customer has shared. I haven't had a problem with it, but just to avoid any future potential issues and to minimize the risk, that's what I'm going to do. So this is also a Bella Canvas 3413 tri-blend. This is the medium gray shade. I think it's athletic gray. I'm not really sure, but this is that with black. And as you will see with this one, the lines are extremely crisp and nice. The entire design is matte. It's not shiny at all. So it's been printed correctly and it's beautiful. It's super fun, and I love it. And then the third one, I have it in a different color tee, but I really wanted it on a lighter color tee so I could wear it with a nice colorful sweater and a cute necklace, because I just love the message combined with such a pretty palette. I think it's cute. This is an ANVIL 980. I think I might show you some pictures of me wearing this t-shirt. This is my other favorite unisex t-shirt. The non-heather colors are 100% cotton. The reason I like this one over the Bella 3001, probably the most popular unisex t-shirt, and everybody loves it, and everybody sells it. I really like that t-shirt. I love the color selection, but I don't like it for my body type. And that is because I'm short. It's a really long t-shirt. They're a little bit like narrow for me, and that's why I prefer this t-shirt. It's super comfortable for me. I love it. If you're considering using Printful, please consider signing up through my affiliate link if you're enjoying the videos that I'm bringing you about Printful. It really helps my channel out a lot, and the support helps me to bring you more videos like this. Please and thank you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do videos on print on demand, Etsy, and ways that artists can slay their roadblocks and not get caught up in the small stuff when you are preparing and working on your shop. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.